This one, solving inequalities using addition or subtraction. So when you look at this one right here, x less than 3. Okay? X less than 3 is anything is less than 3, it's going to go this way. So
I don't see your slide.
Oh, you don't see it? Like for example here, x less than 3. So it's 3 right here. It's less than. X value is less than 3 means it has to be this side. It could be 2, it could be 1, anything this side, okay? So that's x less than 3. But again, you see if it's only less than, it's open circle. Only less than, you see open circle. But if it is less than or equal, or see this less than or equal, you see a closed circle or dark circle. So that means it's included at that point. Okay? Yeah, so, and that's important to know. Let's try these questions. I want you to draw and the number line to solve it. First solve it, and then we can draw the number line. First, look at this. Take the first equation. Number 7. X plus 2 is greater than negative 3. Okay? Now, just like equations, you keep the x, then if you have plus 2, send it to the other side. So when I send it to the other side, this plus 2 becomes minus 2. Okay? So now I left with the x here and greater than negative 5. So as x is greater than negative 5. So now I go draw the number line first and put a 0. Okay, all the time, follow the same process. Look for the negative. It's negative 5, right? Negative 5 here, and but this is greater than sign. There's no equal, or there's no line underneath, so it's going to be open circle right here. And it says x is greater than 5, or negative 5. Greater than means it goes this way because all these side is greater than. Okay, so your graph is gonna go. Where is it? Let me see here. So it's gonna highlight it this way. Does that make sense? You just follow the variables one side and the numbers the other side. So look at the screen quickly. So you got 1 greater than or equal x minus 9, right? Now you need to choose which side you want to keep the variables. So I want to keep the variables because already x is here. I want to keep this side the variables and then send the numbers to the other side. So it's a minus 9. If I send it to the other side, what happens?
9.
Positive 9. So plus 9. So that's going to be 10 greater than or equals to x. Or if I write it and flip it this way, what is going to happen is x is less than or equals to 10. Okay? Now if I draw the number line here, and then there's 0 here, positive 10 is right here, that's 10. But again, it's less than or equal, so I need to have a closed circle, like a dark one. But it says x is less than, so less than means goes to the less, means anything is less, so it's going to go to this side. Does that make sense? It's really important, even though everything is correct, if you graph wrong, it's still going to make something is wrong. So it is important you follow away. Same equations, like that's the reason we do equations first and then we do this, okay? So the first one, x plus 4 is less than 5. So x plus 4 less than 5. I mean, I want to, since already x is here, I want to keep the x's this side. And then constants the other side, numbers to the other side. So you see this plus 4. So I'm going to take away 4. Okay, does that make sense?
That doesn't, but the equal sign is.
So
wait, you keep the sign the same?
So x will be there, and then less than symbol will come. But since it is positive, you go to the other side, so we're minus. So it's 5 minus 4, that's going to be 1. And then you draw the number line, 0, and then look for the 1 right here. And it's less than, but it's only less than sign. There's no underneath the line there. So it's going to be open circle. Since it is less than, I mean, you can draw the lines to this side. Anything less than 1. Okay? They give you the graph, but we're going to write the equation for them. Okay? So when you write the equation, what you just need to look at it. Okay? Now, it's easy, very simple. What you need to do first of all, look at this. Let's write it down x. Okay, and then you see this is open circle. That means it's going to be either less than or greater than. One of them is going to be. But it says more than x is more than -1. So it's going to be greater than -1. That's it. That's all you need to do. So definitely, yeah, you got this one already. So you see that one first. You can write it as some variable, any variable you want. A, and then I can see, so less than or equals or greater than or equals to, but it's a less than 6. You can see that. So that's good. Very good. I like that. So you get a star. Good work. Yes. And the next one is like, you can use the variable r. That's good. And this is, it's going that way. It's less than.
Oh, oops, I forgot. That thing doesn't come here. That thing doesn't come here.
Yeah.
And that's supposed to erase.
That's right. Less than -20. Good work. Now it makes more sense. Awesome. Good job.